You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this animal correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you in British English. The pronunciation is as otter. O, it's an O sound, not an O. It's not otter, no, otter. American English, however, the pronunciation in the US is usually as otter, with a T that sounds like a D, which is called a flap T that Americans use between two vowels. Otter, American English pronunciation, otter, British English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.